Hi everyone, welcome back to Dudes Tech. In today's video, we're exploring the best solar security camera you can find for your home today. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Anran C3. Let's get started. Product feature. The 2K high-definition camera delivers clear and sharp video footage, enabling real-time monitoring of your outdoor environment so every detail is captured effectively for your safety. An integrated power system combines a built-in battery with solar panel charging for long standby times without the need for frequent manual recharging, keeping your home protected 24/7. The 100% wireless design offers unlimited installation possibilities anywhere with sunlight, connecting easily via Wi-Fi without you ever having to worry about messy or complicated cables. PIR humanoid detection technology helps distinguish people from other moving objects, ensuring you receive accurate alerts and reducing annoying false notifications on your phone. An integrated alert siren alarm triggers the moment motion is detected, keeping you informed of any unusual activity and helping to deter unwanted visitors from your property. Night vision functionality is enhanced with clear color imaging, allowing you to see vivid details even in low light conditions, which significantly improves your nighttime surveillance. Flexible storage options support both SD cards and cloud storage, including permanently free storage for brief 6-second recordings to ensure your most important moments are saved. Pros: this camera is a total game changer for anyone wanting peace of mind without the headache of difficult wiring. The solar charging means you can truly set it and forget it, while the vivid color night vision makes you feel safe and secure after the sun goes down. It is incredibly user-friendly and reliable, ensuring your family is protected by technology that is easy to manage. Cons: because this device relies on the sun, you do need to be mindful of placing it in a spot that receives adequate sunlight to keep the battery full. Also, while the free cloud storage is a great bonus, the 6-second limit means you might want to invest in an SD card if you prefer to look back at longer segments of your daily footage. Final thoughts. Investing in your home's security is really about protecting the people and memories that matter most. The Anran C3 feels like a loyal guardian that is always watching over your world with care. Its blend of smart features and simple installation gives you that extra layer of comfort we all deserve. You can rest easy knowing you have a high-tech eye on things, letting you focus on enjoying your life. Your home deserves the very best protection. Check the price link in the description to see more. Subscribe to Dudes Tech and like this video if you found it helpful. See you next time.